Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a bass line using a free instrument and using some notes of the harmony and also follow the drum set. Really easy. I'm gonna use external bass, not a Logic bass, and I go to ample sound. I like that sound. How can I create the bass? Okay, let's assume you don't know too much about the harmony. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just duplicate that piano track, which is the harmony. So the bass is the low end, let's say, melody based on the harmony. And of course, it also has a rhythmic characteristic. It kind of like follows the drum set, especially the kick drum. I'm gonna copy that harmony track, copy here. Okay, now I have the reference for my bass because I'm gonna use just like that the very low note as my bass. Okay, so what I need to do now is just delete the other things I have on the top. Make sure you just keep like the very low. So check now how things are going to fit well. So I have the right notes for now, but what we're missing here that's gonna make that sound more like a bass is the rhythm, right? Let me skip the bass just for a second. I'm gonna split that drummer here. Split again here. Why am I doing that? Because I want to change a little bit of the groove here on that different section. So let me go more complex, maybe use toms instead of using the cymbals. A different feel, let me see. I split the drummer just to create some variation here on that section. That last one, just to create some variation, we're gonna have another variation. Okay, now let's say I'm happy with my drum. I'm gonna convert that to MIDI region. I'm gonna copy just the kick drum. Command C. And I'll come here, Command V. I'm gonna mute that MIDI events, Control M. So I'm gonna use that just as a reference to make that groovy. Okay, come here to piano roll. Again, the same notes. I don't want to change the notes, right? And it's also helpful to have long notes and then shorter notes in the bass. Maybe. I'm gonna do that pattern like this. We're gonna do dun dun, pause, dun, and then long note. Let me see how that sounds. I think I like that. I'm also highlighting when we have the kick drum right, but also I'm changing the harmony here. Dun dun. Or maybe I can also even create a different rhythm, right? And of course I'm using the pencil tool. like start here in bar number 5, it will have a different pattern, right? Remember we changed that. Let me make that a little bit different. Again, I'm kind of like following the kick drum. You don't need to be like so precise and do exactly what the bass, like I mean what the kick drum does. It's just like as a reference. And I can octave this down as well. When I say octave, it's like have the same note but in another region. Okay, and then we're back to this groove. Of course, everything here on the grid is based on rhythm, right? But let's check how we have the accompaniment without the melody. I can make that octave lower as well. A good shortcut for that would be Option Shift, arrow down. So Option Shift, arrow. So it's easy to create some variation. Maybe this I'm gonna have up. Let's check now with the melody.